Hello everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. Hope you're all doing real well. We've got this lovely 2017 electric blue metallic Mitsubishi L200. It's a 2.4 litre Barbarian 4-wheel drive. It's got 7,112 miles and it's a diesel manual. Absolutely lovely motor. It's got the 17-inch silver alloy wheels, really good condition on all four alloys. I will post the alloys on the Auto Trader page. You've got silver roof rails at the top, electric adjustable door mirrors, automatic activation headlights with daytime running light features. Overall, really lovely motor. It's got metal side steps, tinted windows at the back. It is the double cab model. Tow bar preparation with a reverse parking camera with parking guidelines and rear parking sensors. I'll show you the canopy in a second at the end of the video. I'll show you inside. Inside the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, electronic adjustable door mirrors, there's lane departure warning, traction control off. It's got a lovely, I'll just turn it down because it's a little bit loud. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free cruise control with the speed limiter. It's got the automatic wipers and the headlight feature just there. It's got 70,112 miles on the clock. Moving on to the center console, it includes AM, FM and DAB. There's also Bluetooth integration, telephone preparation, there's auxiliary CD, and I'll just show you the sat-nav navigation. Sat-nav navigation, very clear, high resolution, and you can also eject it so you can have the CD. There you go, it's a cool feature. There we go. I'll just show you the reverse parking camera as well. Reverse parking camera, high resolution, dual zone air conditioning, front heated seats at driver's and passenger's side. It's got a USB port just there, 12-volt plug socket, 6-gear knob, differential lock, 2 cup holders, comes with a couple of keys as well, a mechanical parking brake, lovely storage compartment armrest there. But yeah, high spec, plenty of space. At the back, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment, i6 preparation seats, 2 cup holders. So there's around about 4 cup holders in total. Storage compartment either side, plenty of leg space. Just show you the canopy. Opens up like that, nice and easy. You can do it with one hand. Well looked after, plenty of space. There's a few hooks as well around. But yeah, plenty of space. It's got a rubber inlay, so easy to clean, easy to put away. But there you go, there's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.